Lavanya from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about the maintenance petition draft under section 125 Crpc. There are some pointers that have to be kept in mind. First being the index synopsis list of dates and events. A list of dates and events that provides a chronological narration of the relevant facts between the parties. For instance, the maintenance petition filed by a wife against the husband, it must contain the serial enumeration of facts of marriage leading up to the point where maintenance was refused or neglected and the cause of action arose. Then case details. Other relevant information is given in the memo of the parties, which includes the age, address and details of the petitioner and the respondent, the subject being the petition for the maintenance under section 125 of CRPC 1973. There are some important points that have to be kept in mind. The first paragraph of maintenance petition generally contains the expanded facts of the case. The above mentioned list of events must run parallel to these facts to maintain synchrony. First and foremost, it is relevant to write down the status of the parties. The petitioner number 1 is the legally wedded wife of respondent, or that she is divorced yet married. The next paragraph should cover all the details with respect to the solemnization of marriage. This has to be assessed according to the facts of the case. For instance, relevant facts may include the registration of the marriage, solemnization according to the rights and traditions recognized by their own personal laws. The subsequent point may cover the nature of the relationship between the parties. This can be followed by the events when the cause of action arose. It is important to mention that the petitioner is financially deprived and has no means to maintain itself. The respondent's source of income and financial status must be described in detail. Jurisdiction, it is important. Then prayer. The prayer must direct the court to avoid specific amount of maintenance or apply their discretion in the best interest of the petitioner. Verification with affidavit, which has a standard format, in which the name of the court comes first with the address, then the case number in the matter of, and then the maintenance petition content. Most important factor to be kept in mind is to keep the language simple and clear to the point so that it is very easy to interpret.